Naku, kinakain naman.
Sexy.
Sure, unsexy. Gaano ko na, dito ko na diretsuan.
Eh. Harvest it properly. So this is, how do you call that vegetable?
Kangkong.
Kangkong in Tagalog. But
It's kangkong.
they call it Chinese spinach.
Okay, Chinese spinach.
Sometimes they call it water spinach, but it's not in the water. But there's really kangkong that is living in the surface, on the surface of the water, by the way. But this one is soil-based kangkong. So it's better to call it what?
Kangkong.
No, Chinese spinach. And it's a delicacy, by the way. If you go to Chinese restaurants, a small plate of this, you'll pay a fortune, by the way.
Naka-live ka?
Not really.
Huwag naman live, maawa ka naman sa akin. Cute-cute pa ng short ko.
Nice, huh? Very healthy. Yeah. After the rains, they have really grown. It's been almost a week that we didn't have rain here in Nairobi. And plants dried up so quickly. Yeah, like that. Then they will produce new shoots again. Nice. Even here, plenty of kangkong, Chinese spinach.
Kangkong.
This is the beauty of having a, what do you call this one, ma?
Wife.
No, wife, yes, it's beautiful, it's good. But also a backyard garden, a kitchen garden, yeah? You harvest and then you cook, healthy. You know very well that there are no chemicals, no pesticides whatsoever.
Joke yun, joke.
Yes. And also, yeah, you are right. That's the beauty of having a beautiful wife. Also. Beautiful and sexy wife. Guys, my wife gave birth to 7 boys. If you only know.
Still sexy.
And still sexy.
Na?
Oh, that's enough, I think, for breakfast.
Breakfast.
Oh yeah,
Lunch.
lunch.
Mamaya.
I won't be here for lunch.
Dinner.
Dinner.
Kasi.
I have classes until 8:30 in the evening.
Ba ako nag-workout.
Yeah.
Ay, sorry naman.
That's how she maintains her body figure. She does workout. What do you do for workout?
I will send you my videos, series of videos.
Series of videos?
Yeah.